Good morning, students. Today we will read the new chapter, the verb. Okay, in our previous lecture, we have discussed about the article. So now today we are going to start new chapter, verb. Okay. So let's see first what is the definition of verb. So a verb expresses what a person or thing does. What a person or thing does, वह क्या करता है. What a person or thing is, वह क्या है. State of नाउन. ओके, वॉट अ पर्सन और थिंक हैज़, उसके पास क्या है, उसके पास पोजिशन क्या है. ओके, सो वर्ब मेनली वर्ब एक्सप्रेस थ्री थिंग्स लाइक वॉट अ पर्सन और थिंक डज, वॉट अ पर्सन और थिंक इज. ओके, वॉट अ पर्सन और थिंक हैज़. सो दीज आर थ्री थिंग्स दैट वर्ब टेल्स अस. ओके, so in other word you can say a verb describe action, okay, state of being and position. I repeat again, a verb describes action, state of being and position. Okay, so let's see, it is mainly divided into three parts: action, state or position. So let's see first by the example. Ram is running. Okay, Toma is jumping. She is writing a letter. So here student check, Ram is running. It means कोई एक्शन यहाँ हो रहा है, एनी एक्शन इज हैपनिंग हियर. टोमा इज जंपिंग, टोमा जंप कर रही है, एक्शन वर्ड दिस इज. शी इज राइटिंग अ लेटर, शी इज राइटिंग अ लेटर. तो हियर ऑल्सो इट सेज सम एक्शन इज being done. Okay, so student in this is you can check is helping verb. यहाँ पे ये helping verb है. Okay, is here helping verb and jumping, running and writing is a main verb. What is this? These are main verb. I hope you understood. These are main verb and is here helping verb. Is here helping verb. So let's see these example also. She is a beautiful girl. Okay, my father is doctor. My father is a doctor. You can say he is teacher. He is a teacher. Here student you can check that is. What is here? Here is a stative verb. You can say is here stative verb because is यहाँ बता रहा है कि state of is telling here state of noun. ये noun की state बता रहा है. I mean beautiful is a state of noun. Okay, like is. So is here main verb. Is here main verb because there is no any main verb. So is here main verb and my father is. So is here होने की ये आपकी पोजीशन बता रहा है, स्टेट बता रहा है. देन यू कैन से इज हियर मेन वर्ब and is also here main verb because there is no other main verb. So you can say is here main verb. In other words you can say it is the stative verb. It is the stative verb which tell us the state of noun, जो noun की state बताती है. Okay, possession. Here he has a mobile. Rani has a pet डॉग. ओके, रानी हैज़ अ डॉग, ऐसे बोल सकते हो आप. सो हियर यू कैन चेक ऑल्सो. हियर हैज़ इज ऑल्सो मेन वर्ब. हैज़ इज ऑल्सो मेन वर्ब बिकॉज इट टेल अस पोजिशन. इट टेल अस पोजिशन. ये पोजिशन शो कर रहा है. सो यू कैन से हियर हैज़ इज मेन वर्ब. ओके, let's see by the example. If I write she has completed his work, her work. Okay, she has completed her work. So here what is the has position here? Here has is a helping verb, not main verb, because here main verb is complete. So its third form is completed. So he has completed her work. She has completed her work. So here has is a helping verb, but here has is a main verb. Here has is a main verb because it tell us the possession of something. ये किस चीज़ का possession show कर रही है, then it means this is a main verb. You can say this is here main verb. And but here it's a helping verb, not main verb. It's a helping verb. And here is also helping verb, not main verb. But here is a helping main verb. Okay, student. I hope you understood this example. So verb may be one word, two word, more than two words also. एक word one word की भी हो सकती है, two words की भी हो सकती है और two words से ज़्यादा की भी हो सकती है. Like is writing. So here two words, is here one word. If I will write here, he will be playing tomorrow. Okay, so here this is the three words of verb. So verb may be one word, two word and three words also. Okay, so I hope you understood. Here is a helping verb and main verb. This is main verb, and here is a main verb because it tells the state of noun. ये noun की state बता रही है, इसलिए so they are called, so that's why they are called stative verb. And possession it means they tell us something has. Okay, and I mean they tell us what a person, animal and thing has. ये बताता है कि उसके पास क्या है. It means it is also a stative verb. You can say has also a stative verb and main verb also here, because when it is used singular with noun then it is a stative verb. Okay, जब भी noun के साथ यूज़ होती है तो इसको stative verb बोलते हैं. जब main verb के साथ बोलते हो आप इसको तो इसे helping verb बोल सकते हो. Okay, एंड नाउन के साथ यूज़ होती है तब इसको स्टेटिव एंड मेन वर्ब दोनों बोली जाती है ये. और जब ये मेन वर्ब के साथ यूज़ की जाती है देन दैट्स वाई दिस इज कॉल्ड हेल्पिंग वर्ब. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेयर इट इज़ हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड वेयर इट इज़ मेन वर्ब. So student, one more thing about the verb, because a verb is the main important part. A verb is the main important part of a sentence. Without it we can't form any sentence. बिना इसके हम कोई भी sentence form नहीं कर सकते. It is the main important part of the sentence. Okay, and so let's see what are the stative verbs. Like be form, आपने सुना होगा बी फॉर्म लाइक इज, आर, एम, वॉज, वर, विल, बी, shall be. Okay, these are be form. They are called stative verb. They are called stative verb because they tell us about the state of noun. They tell us the state of noun. ये noun की state बताती है हमें. ठीक है, so these are stative verb. and other, seem, appear. It is, student, you have to write these verbs. What are the stative verbs? Okay. Look, turn, get, taste, smell, see, appear, look, turn, get, taste, smell, grow, feel, etc. These are stative verbs. These are stative verbs. You can say these are stative verbs. Okay. They takes noun, sorry, they takes adjective. They are qualified by the adjectives. किससे qualified होती है ये? Adjective से. They are qualified by an adjective. ये adjective से qualified होती है. Like you can say he is smart. Okay. ये mostly noun और जैसे इसमें देखो आप, these are qualified by the adjectives, by an adjectives, and an action, verbs are qualified by an adverb. Okay. Action verbs are qualified by an adverb. You have to write these are stative verbs, so you have to write all verbs. Okay, student? They tell us state of noun. These all verbs tell us state of noun, and they are qualified by an adjective. No action. यहाँ पे कोई action नहीं होता. We don't use action. Okay. Like he is a doctor. I told you, like he is a doctor. He is happy. I am worried. She is worried. So like these so that's how they are qualified by an adjective. And seem, it seems true. Like you can say it seems true. Then what is the true? True is an adjective. Okay. She looks beautiful. Here you can check also, beautiful is a adjective. Okay, student. So I hope you understood. These are qualified by adjective. Okay. So you have tried these all verbs, and I hope you understood what is the verb. A verb express what a person or thing does, what a person or thing is, state of being. Okay, what a person or thing has, position. So I hope you understood what is the function of a verb. In second video we will read transitive or intransitive verb. Okay. So thank you, student. Have a nice day.